A short story on Jim Terry using the simple present tense. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. A good friend of mine by the name of Jim Terry is a very talented athlete. He plays many games. He plays football, cricket, hockey and basketball. Among all of them, football is his favorite sport he loves to play. Many people play football since it is a global sport. Jim plays football for the county club. He also plays different tournaments. Spectators love to watch his team play. They clap and cheer for Jim whenever he scores a goal. They enjoy the entire game from start to the end. Jim is a great coach. He teaches children and adults how to play football. He teaches them basic to advanced skills on how the game should be played. He has many students who he trains. All of them like the way he teaches. He is a very good player and coach. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my new video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching.